Welcome to the part 9 of our quick start tutorial on TextBlob. We're going to discuss about the word lists, and these are just like the normal Python lists, but with some additional methods that you can use on them. So this is just a simple subheading we are going to talk about. It's like something we have talked about on tokenization, just some brief things on word list. So use the word list. First have to have the text, then get a text blob using the text defined. Then the other thing is to get the words. The word list, you can define a word list is equals to blob, the text blob created dot words. And that's just a word list. Again, maybe you can print the word list. There's a method you can use on the word list. This is not just common thing, so it's just a brief explanation I'm just going to give because it's not commonly used, but you use it on your process to tokenization or some other more complicated or advanced ways you are going to generate a word list because it's like a tokenization of words, tokenization of a sentence to get the words. So word list, maybe you can use the created word list to pluralize the words. So let's print this. So let's run the program. The funny thing with this is just doesn't understand the concept of the words. So it's not just something you can rely on pluralizing the list of a word just directly, because according to this, when you just this was already pluralized, but when you pluralize it without, when you pluralize it once more again with the pluralize on that's called on the word list, just adds an s to the previously pluralized word. So to take note on that, you must be very careful on the words that you're using to pluralize so you get a pluralized word. So, but that's just a simple overview on the word list. But the common thing is to how to generate the word list from a text block. So the key thing was this, because if you don't pluralize the words on the list, definitely when you call the pluralize method, it's going to pluralize all the words on the word list. That's just the brief overview of the word list.